Resizing videos for Instagram is a lot easier than you probably think. You don't even need to download any video editors or apps to do so. All you're gonna need is an internet connection and a keyboard to type. We're gonna be using the online program Type Studio to resize your video. But first we gotta figure out what size video you're going for. For Instagram, there are 3 sizes you can choose from. There's the 1x1, the 4x5, and the 16x9. There's also the 9x16 if you're posting to a story or a reel, which Type Studio also accommodates for, so. The one I would recommend the most is the 4x5 because it takes up the most of the screen, so it's more of an eye catcher for people just scrolling by. So now that you know the different video sizes that you can choose from, let's hop on over to the computer so I can show you what you came here for, how to resize your videos for Instagram. All right, first things first, you're gonna go to our website, typestudio.co, and you're gonna go up to the top right and sign up and sign in for free. Once you sign up and sign in, it's gonna bring you to the dashboard of Type Studio where you can upload your videos. What you're gonna do is you're gonna go and you're gonna click New Project. It's gonna bring up this page where you can drag and drop a video in. So let's find the video I'd like. This one right here, drag and drop it in, let that bad boy upload and transcribe. So now that we're in the editor, on the left-hand side, you have the transcribe dialog, and on the right, you have your video preview. In order to change the aspect ratio or size of the video, you're gonna go to this little drop-down menu that says original, which indicates this is the original aspect ratio of the video. Click it, and it'll bring a drop-down menu where you can choose from all the different aspect ratios I talked about earlier, or the different sizes I talked about earlier. You have the Instagram square, which is the 1x1, and you have the 4x5 right here as well, the vertical post. So I'm gonna click that one because that's the one that I like the most. So once you click that, you can see that it recreated the aspect ratio, and you can just drag your video around and resize it by clicking the corners and dragging them as you would if it was like an image or anything, just to resize it. So I'm going to make it fit in the video and center myself. And that's how you resize the video to a 4x5 format. If you'd like, you can also size it so that there are black bars on either end, so you can just take your video like that, put it in the center, you got black bars on either end of it. Or if you don't like the black bars around it, you can change the background color as well. So if you want pink per se, you can throw pink behind it, but I'm not gonna do that. The original format of this video was a bit long, so maybe I'll try out the 1x1. Let's figure that out. You can quickly just switch to the next one if you'd like, which looks like it did. I kind of like that better. That's I feel like I fit better in that aspect ratio, at least with this video. So let's have a look. Type Studio is a free online video editor that we take pride in its ability to... Cool, all right. So once you're done with this, whether you want the 1x1 or the 4x5, or if your video was originally not in 16x9 and you want to put it in 16x9, you can do that as well by clicking the landscape one. But once your video is exactly how you want it and it's resized in the perfect format that you'd like, you're gonna go up to the top right and you're gonna hit export, and Type Studio will take care of the exporting process, where on the next page you'll be able to just download it right onto your computer. So let's do that. I'm gonna click export. Once it's done exporting, you have the download button right here that you can download right on your computer, so you just click that and it'll download. But that's basically it. If you want to just make sure it looks exactly how you want it, you can watch it back right here. Type Studio is a free online video editor, but if you're looking to post to Instagram, you're just gonna click the download button and then send it on its way. So I hope this video helped. I hope you're able to now reformat your videos however you'd like so that your Instagram looks perfecto. If this video helped you out, we'd appreciate it if you hit that like button, as well as hitting that subscribe button if you like these types of videos. Right now, we're actually showcasing what it's like to work for a tech startup. So if that interests you at all, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and check out the rest of our videos on our channel. Once again, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Peace.